Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learn channel. In this video series, we are going to learn the language Tamil. So let's get straight into the video. So here I am presenting some of the facts about the language. So in the world, there are more than 80 million people who speak this language. So it is one of the widely spoken languages in the world. And it has a global presence. So Tamil is the official language of Tamil Nadu, which is an Indian state, and also an union territory called Puducherry. So Tamil is also the national language of Sri Lanka, and it is spoken in the countries like Singapore, Malaysia, Mauritius, Fiji, South Africa, and a few other countries. So when we compare it to the world population, a little more than 1% of the global population speak this language, which makes it among the top 20 languages spoken worldwide. So when it comes to the cultural and historic significance, Tamil is considered as one of the oldest languages which is still spoken today for more than 2000 years. And also it is one of the longest surviving classical languages in the world. The Indian government has granted classical language status for the language Tamil, and it is one of the it is the first language to be given the status due to its heritage, literature, and historical significance. So when you learn Tamil, you will be able to read and enjoy these literatures. So I'm not giving all the literatures. I'm just giving some famous literatures. The first one is Tirkural, which is a collection of 1330 couplets. It covers morality, ethics, and life guidance. So the next one is Silapadikaram, which is written by Ilango Odigal. It is one of the 5 greatest epics of Tamil literature. The next one is Manimekalai, again another epic. And we have a lot of Sangam literatures, which is a collection of poems in Tamil, which describes life, culture, and the values of old Tamil societies. And you have many more. These are all just few examples of what you can read and enjoy when it comes to literature. So when it comes to the Tamil script, the Tamil script has a total of 247 characters. This is structured like this. There are 12 vowels. In Tamil, we call it as Uyir Ezhuthukal, and 18 consonants. Consonants we call Mei Ezhuthukal in Tamil. So these form 216 compound characters. So it is a combination of each vowel with each consonant. And there is one special character which is called Ayudha Eluthu, which is represented by the three gods, as you can see in the screen. So we have a total of 247 characters in this Tamil script. In the next video, we will be learning how to write the Tamil script. So I'll be explaining to write each and every letter of the Tamil script. Thank you for watching the video. Please stay tuned for the next video.